we are at Siddharth Sharma's residence, and all these batchmates of Siddharth, because Siddharth was also pursuing studies in the national capital. He wanted to go abroad, and that's why many of his friends have come here in support of the family members, because what they feel is that justice has not been given to Siddharth Sharma. The kind of weak Motor Vehicle Act we have is the main reason because of which the minor victim, who will be turning major after 2 days from now, will be getting away without getting any harsher punishment. Definitely this has not been the first incident of its kind where any person who's walking on the street has been hit by a vehicle, and because of these weak Motor Vehicle Act, many of these accused have managed to get away very easily. And in this specific case, we know that the minor car driver who was on the wheel was barely only 5 days left before he could have turned major, and that is the biggest loophole which has given him a big advantage. What the family members want, that this case should also be considered as an example for the heinous nature of the crime post Nirbhaya incident. They know very well about this fact that the law cannot be retrospective, it cannot be changed, but the family members are saying that after this incident, at least the government should wake up. And since all these governments which has come in the past have not given any kind of importance to the weak Motor Vehicle Act, it's a high time for the government to make some amendment in the existing law which is there. But shockingly, if you look at the details of the case, the minor was apprehended in conflict with conflict of the law only 24 hours after the incident, which again gives an indication that certainly there is some kind of negligence which has been done. I have with me a few students from abroad as well who were studying in the same college where Siddharth was staying. What do you feel looking at the state of affair right here in India, where a minor who was driving a vehicle hit Siddharth, he died, but he just got bail and he has been left to go home, and the family members are also not punished heavily?
That is injustice. We don't believe in that kind of lifestyle. He's human. Everything that happens, justice needs to prevail. So that's what we're here for. We need justice, and that's what brought us here.
What do you feel?
Okay, unfortunately, that's injustice for some people to hit a person and kill him, and government do nothing about it. We feel very bad and we feel very sad. That's why we are here for his justice, and we want the government of India to take measure about what happened. Siddharth deserves justice. We need justice.
There you heard from the students, they are saying that Siddharth demand justice, and justice has not been given by the government. What do you have to say about the incident which has happened? Siddharth was left alone on the street by those teenagers just because they were 5 days below the level of age which has been divided by decided by the government of India to be considered as major.
This could have happened with anyone. This time this is our friend, other time they can be yours. So he should be behind the bars, and moreover his father who is trying to bribe the police and everything that we are hearing, that should be just clarified and actions should be taken.
You must have heard about several incidences of road accident, and every time the driver, the accused, managed to flee very easily. What do you have to say?
Yeah, that's very sad for the police. Like, everyone's saying police doesn't do its work. That's why they are saying they always go after money. They don't care about the incident that happened.
Basically, don't have faith in the police system.
Yeah, no, we don't have it. That's why we are doing this. Otherwise, we shouldn't be doing this.
We are getting few more voices. Yeah,
they should release the CCTV footage for all to see, so that everybody will be clear on what actually happened.
Yeah, if it's assassination,
let us know what actually happened to our friend, so that we'll be able to at least go home with clear something in our mind that this is what happened to our friend. And I mean, let's just be clear. That's just all we want.
Certainly, these people want CCTV footage to be released because till now the Delhi police has been saying that they have not got substantial CCTV footage from the spot.
Exactly, we want to see the CCTV footage. We want to see what exactly happened on the spot. We do not know what happened and what happened to our friend. We just need the justice. We want to see who is the real culprit, and if what is the law, why is not people coming up and speaking for this issue, and we want justice.
Justice is the only word which is coming into their mind, and there are several things which has been said by these students who are very much shocked after looking into the solid state of affairs, where because of the weak, law, Motor Vehicle Act law, this accused will not be punished heavily. What do you have to say, looking into the kind of investigation which has been done by the Delhi police official? CCTV footage has not been released. Delhi police is saying even in civil lines area where CM of Delhi, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi stays, there is Vidhan Sabha very near to the spot where this incident has happened, and what they are saying that they have not got good quality of CCTV footage from the spot.
Look, it's already been 48 hours and my dear friend has died in the road with several eyewitnesses in civil lines in main highway road. There are eyewitnesses. There is CCTV footage. Why do you even put the CCTV if there is no use of that? Why do you even care to put that CCTV if there is no use? And it's already been 2 days. The scene is so clear and you take almost 48 hours. So what is the police doing? I want to ask the police and the government. And
like he mean to say, there were witnesses as well, and we have witnesses with ourselves as well who have seen the whole incident. They are telling that this thing happened. These were the people who came out from the car, and now why is police is not asking for some proofs? We have witnesses for you, and they are not cooperating in any which way. Apart from that, the point that he added, we are asking for CCTV camera footages for last 48 hours, and they just say that ask for the SHO. Then they have given a fake pen drive. They have also given us a fake pen drive. They said that okay, the CCTV footage CCTV footage thing is in this pen drive, but there was nothing that there was in that pen drive. So it is really amazingly shocked that people here on this road who stays here in Delhi are not at all safe on roads. They cannot walk safe on roads.
It took Delhi police official to apprehend the juvenile who was barely 200 to 300 meters away from the police station after 24 hours. Do you think there was some kind of wrong which is happening in the backdrop? Because Delhi police, if they would have detained him, the minor, they would have taken his blood sample. If the alcohol percentage was there, it would have been proved.
Yeah, absolutely. This is like I can say that the Delhi police has not done their work properly, because they have to take the minor. Either the minor has done the work or not, like he was present or not. But if they have some doubts on them, then they have to take an action and arrest them and take the blood samples of them, whether to prove that.